What's up, guys? I'm back. Okay, y'all. I know it's literally taking me forever to get my house finished. I know it, trust and believe. But I want to do a quick little semi makeover. This by any means not going to even be close to done, but I just feel like doing a little something something. So as you see, I got junk everywhere. Stuff still is going to need to be hung on the walls and all that good stuff. But guess what? That's not getting done today. But what I am going to do is I'm going to put this on this bed. This is Kevin's new bed. And just change that around and just show you the difference just simple bedding can make. So this would be a little preview of what's to come for this room or what have you. But I'm excited still. I'll just give you like a little heads up. I am planning on putting curtains. I added that basket the other day just to see if I was feeling it. And yes, I'm feeling it. I added the lights for a night light. But I love them so much. I don't know if I'm going to put them in this room. But for sure they're going somewhere because I love the ambiance they create. Ambiance. Get with it. Okay, it's 21, guys. Let's do it. But anyway, so I got, of course, you already, maybe not. I got a desk in here. So I'm going to clean up, put on, and whatever else. So in the next frame or whatever the case may be, then you'll see not the complete finished results, but the finished results for today. Let's get it, y'all. Let's look at the llama. Hi, little llama. This is her room, too. Let's look at this angle. We want all angles. Come on, bed. And plot out, y'all. I finished. Like I say, this is just a little something I clean up just to get more of a visual. Now these are gonna be the curtains that I'm gonna hang up eventually. But y'all, I'm impressed with my own self. Hey, this the new bedding. See how I like that yellow pops? That yellow pops. And I like the different texture. Y'all, it don't have to be matchy-matchy. In my apartment, I was so matchy-matchy and I hated it. So, of course, I'm going to put something on the walls. Y'all, like I say, this is just the start of the magic. Haha, but I love it. Oh, I didn't give y'all a look at it. And there's like a temporary area. I just like it. And this is what I did with the desk. I have a chair to actually go in here. But for now, this is what it is. Y'all. And since this is my son room slash guest room, I still wanted to have like a masculine energy in here. So I just created little elements. That's not my little baby. That's my little moo-moo. Little elements to still have both in here. And that's that, guys. Still was able to utilize my little fairy. They're really not fairy lights, but my little lights for my night light. This is the remote that goes to the lights. I thought that was a cute little placement. So you can find decor pieces that could be also functional pieces that's not even meant for that particular function. You know what I'm saying? So there you have it, guys. A preview of the goodness.